So out here at Buffalo Wings in Coventry on the wrap up of this remodel and AV upgrade. As you can see, we're in the dining room and it's still kind of messy around here, but got all the TVs up now. And that's our feature wall, which earlier I showed just the mounts and how we use one mount to install stacked 55s. So pretty cool. Good job, guys. 86 and another stack 55. The rest of this is all 65s and 75s for the most part. But looking pretty good. They're in a mad rush to get all the furniture redone, and I gotta get this buffalo head mounted somewhere. It's part of the new package for Buffalo Wild Wings. But I'll go into the bar here, this was done the other day. It's done yesterday, but looking pretty good. Everything's wrapped up. Managers have been trained. Everything's been tested thoroughly. I mean, we build these racks months ahead of time and burn them in, so it's kind of our process. But and again, the AV tower with the graphical layout of the building. So, you know, you have the bar. These are the TV locations and TV locations in the dine, making it easy for anybody to adjust whatever satellite or source they want to go to any TV. So select that, hit that, TV changes. So if you want to change the satellite, you double click, you come in here, make your adjustments up, down, or type in a channel, and or right here are some hotkeys, which takes that satellite directly to that, just like that, and you can add and make your own for that. So you know, there's our up show, that's working. Do they actually have cable boxes? Oh, they don't have cable boxes yet, so probably coming soon. So yeah, then audio control, pretty simple. Bar, dine, game day, patio, restroom, kitchen, up and down. Ability to select what source. Same thing, very similar to the video distribution and audio distribution. You can select and boom. So you can hear the audio in the background of ESPN2 HD. So we'll put it back to Roku device. Obviously you can mute it, raise and lower the volume. So pretty cool, pretty standard. So, but it's all wrapped up here. So getting the sign off now. So thanks for checking us out. Peace out.